Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone overheating issue while charging in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your phone is overheating when it's on charging, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to your settings app here, and in settings go to battery, and you just have to make sure that you have enabled battery protection, set it to maximum and select it up to 90%. It will not allow your phone to charge up to 100%, but it will protect your battery and also prevent from overheating. Then just go back, and here you have to check if your phone supports this power saving mode on your battery, so it will also help you to prevent overheating issue. You just have to make sure that your power saving might enable when your phone is charging. Once you have done, you have to go to the section here, go to this view details option, and just check out the app which is using or consuming more battery. So you can try to disable that from background, or you can also try to completely uninstall that app. So after doing that, you have to retry to use your phone to check if it fixed your issue or not. So you can also try to go ahead to your main settings, go to software update, and just make sure that your phone might have an pending software update here. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, you can go back, scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. So it will make a restart with your phone, and after restarting, it will make a complete refresh startup with your phone. So your issue might have been fixed, but I recommend you to use the optimized charger and cable. If you're using any third-party charger or a damaged charger or a damaged charging cable, so you can try to change it with a new original Samsung charger, because the using of damaged or non-standard chargers can cause excessive heat and battery damage. So you have to always use Samsung approved fast charger and cable. It is also highly recommended to plug directly into a wall outlet rather than using a PC's USB port or a wireless charging pad. So if you're charging your phone using a PC's USB port or a charging pad or a wireless charging pad, so I recommend to use your original Samsung charger adapter, not a PC USB port to charge your phone. So this might help you to fix out your issue. Here also don't avoid to only avoid to use your phone as it's on charging. So don't use your phone when it's on charging. So it will also help you to prevent this overheating issues. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.